Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to do an installation of MongoDB 3.6 on RPM based Linux system. So I have Oracle Linux 7 version. It's a bare bones system and I'm just going to do a basic installation of MongoDB Enterprise Edition 3.6. I'm just doing it for demo purpose, so I'm not doing a full blown installation. Just I will do the installation through the yum package manager. So let's get started. So first thing I'll do is I'll create a repo file. So if I go to the etc yum dot repos, there I will create the MongoDB repo file. So if I quickly go to the etc directory, I will find the existing repos here. But anyways, let me just straight away start with the creation of the repo file. So I'll just clear everything and type vi etc yum.repos.d and create the MongoDB enterprise repo file here and press enter. So this is the information I got from the MongoDB website, so I'm just going to paste it here and just save this. So hit escape, and so that's done. So now it's straightforward installation. Sudo yum and I just don't need to do anything. The installer will take over everything and I just have to wait and watch for the installation to complete. So this is done, the installation is completed. I can quickly check the status of the installation. If I have access to system control, then I'll type systemctl status MongoDB. Obviously it will be in stop state. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to type in systemctl start MongoDB. So the service is started. Again, I will just check the status and I can see it's active and running. So now I need to enable the MongoDB service to restart every time the server reboots. So for this I will type the command sudo chkconfig MongoDB on. So this is done. So every time the MongoDB service will be started automatically, the server reboots or the server is start after a planned shutdown. The next step will be to add the MongoDB path so that I can straight away type the Mongo shell command and start working with my databases. So I'll export the path and this is done. So now I need to create a data directory so that I can start working with my MongoDB. So I'll type sudo mkdir fnp data db. So this is done. Now I'll just add the MongoDB default port to the firewall so that this can be accessed outside of the server through any GUI tool like Compass or MongoVue. So let me do that. So this is done. Just check if the port has been opened or not, and as I can see here that the TCP port 27017 has been opened. So now I can straight away type Mongo, and I will be connected to the MongoDB shell. So there are a lot of more customizations and configurations that needs to be done in a real environment, but just for demo purpose I have just gone through the basic steps required to install MongoDB if you have internet connection on your server and get started with. Thanks.